Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create custom shape corner accent for design frames. Open Photoshop and create a new canvas. Select the custom shape tool from the shape picker. Choose an L shape or corner shape. Draw the shape in the top left corner. Choose fill color to white. Also lower opacity to around 60%. Now duplicate the shape using Ctrl plus G. Flip it horizontally using edit transform. Flip horizontal. Place it in the top right corner. Now duplicate again and flip vertically. Place shape in remaining corners. Select all corner shapes. Align them properly. Also add a photo or text in the center. Zoom out and preview. Frame looks modern in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.